Hello, my name is Sakari Lehtinen. Welcome to getting started with using IFC in Autodesk Navisworks. In this tutorial, I will show you how simplebim enables you to use IFC models effectively and professionally in Navisworks. Ultimately, to greatly enhance your design coordination, glass detection and 4D simulations. If you don't already have simplebim, please get your free trial now from datacubist.com. IFC is not just geometry. It's full of building information. Navisworks reads it all in. You could use this data for creating selection sets, but when it's time to actually do it, you might find yourself overwhelmed by the data. There's simply too much of it, and it's in very cryptic form. Look at this model, for example. First of all, the model is a little bit hard to read because the colors are gone. Second of all the objects were imported, all, even the grid lines. And third, creating the selection sets based on the data is close to impossible. Try name, for example. Or type. What is this stuff? Now let's see if we can make the use of IFC more effective, reliable and overall professional with the help of simplebim. Here's the original IFC dump I got from ArchiCAD in simplebim. I could edit the model manually, trim all the unnecessary objects and properties away and make sure that only valid data is included. But since we have created a very nice template for automating this process, I will use that one. If you are not familiar how to trim and edit the models in simplebim, please check the dedicated simplebim tutorials. So all I have to do is apply the template to the model, like this. The template automatically trimmed all the unnecessary object classes away. I only need walls, slabs, beams and columns for my work in Navisworks in this example. I might want to exclude these surrounding buildings also, like this. Also, the unnecessary properties were automatically trimmed away. This way we get much less confusion in Navisworks and much smaller IFC file. Finally, the template even created a custom property sets for me to use in Navisworks. Here's the object types and building stories and even object class information. All in all, the property sets are by far the best way of using IFC data in Navisworks. You will see in a minute. First, let's quickly export the edited model back to IFC. I go back to Navisworks and let's see what I got. Okay, I got my IFC colors back. The model is now much easier to read. And there are only the objects I need. And yes, here are my properties. I can start creating my search sets. Very nice. I create the search sets using the object class and building story name for most of the model, and the type and building story name for the walls. Finally, I have the model organized in a professional way. Now I can manage it very nicely. Let's make a quick 4D simulation. I create the tasks based on the search sets. I won't go into details here and try to make the simulation realistic. Let's just run it and see how it looks. It's not perfect, but you get the idea. Finally, let's run a class detection to the project. For that, I need another model. Here I'm back in simplebim. I used the same template for cleaning up, this time a HVAC model. This time I got also the system name to my property sets. This should again make my model much easier to manage. Let's see. I import the HVAC model to the project in Navisworks. And quickly create the needed selection sets again based on the property sets I created in simplebim. Very nice. I start the crash detection and create a new test. Let's try columns against supply system and run it. I don't get thousands of unmanageable results, but instead a short manageable list. This information I can actually use for making decisions and give instructions to the designers. Now it's time to try it with your own models. Please make sure to check other simplebim tutorials from our website or simplebim YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.